680.1, but there is a catch over here, like it has been binded up to a certain. I'm just put up a physical SIM inside the device, and it's working fine. Hey everyone, it's been a long time. I haven't posted out any video or so, and yeah, on the back end we were working out on few of the products, and today we will be discussing more about Airtel AirFiber, which is one of the device which has been launched recently, and the device vendor which is there is from Nokia, and the audio unit we have it here, and let me just show it over the camera. And down the line we just open it, and we saw like there are few ports which are available. There are two RJ45 LAN ports, and we have a physical SIM slot in this device, and yeah, that's it. USB Type C. We are unable to find out any ADB mode or any fast boot till now, but yeah, we are working on that, and soon we'll try to means like make it up. But yeah, as of now, this is the device, and there are few things which we have noticed and overcome, and try to break this device, and we were successfully able to do that. And let me just quickly give you the architectural overview of the device, how it's working. So I just set up a virtual machine for this, and let me just quickly show you. Okay, so this is the device. Basically, this one is working on means we are able to directly access it on 192.168.0.1, which is the device IP, and it has been NATed over when we connect it via IDU unit. The IDU unit, we haven't connected it. We just directly plug in the device to the PC, and this IDU unit is means we haven't worked on this till now, but soon we'll be working on it, and we'll be able to means like reverse engineer or something. Means we are working on that part. But apart from this, like talking about the audio which is there, and the audio is directly accessible on 192.168.0.1, but there is a catch over here, like it has been binded up to a certain VLAN, the VLAN ID, and this is working on that. And you need to configure the VLAN if you are working on Linux environment, and it's pretty much challenging over the Linux. But yeah, means if you are familiar with it, and then you can easily do that. So I'm just using Ubuntu here, and I've configured the net plan, and the net plan you can see. Okay, and sorry, the access denied, so let me just do it from the root. Okay, and yeah, so this is the device, and we just tagged our entire traffic to 1999 VLAN, and I'm using a TP-Link USB to RJ45 adapter, and just connected it to the VM. And after that, we are routing all our traffic. So that means like I'm just put up a physical SIM inside the device, and it's working fine. I'm getting the MSISDN and ICCID, and this is the MSI number. So these all stuff I'm getting. So I tried with Geo, and it's working. And this how we configure this, that or how we will reach out to this particular state where we are able to put up a SIM, and it's working. So let me just show you that. So first of all, the entire architecture of this device is like it's using a TR-369 management protocol, and we had means what's the flaw in this device is they have just left it open to the user, and we are able to build up our own TR-369 server, and try to communicate this device or using our own controller, and on the same IP subnet, and over the TCP/IP protocol. So, and we are able to send and receive MQTT messages, and then we are able to do whatever we want using the device. And we just disable the GRE tunnel also in this. So I don't know why this device is hanging up. Okay, let me just quickly fix this and come back on this. Okay, so somehow I don't know, in the new tab it's working fine now. And yeah, so the GRE tunnel, you will see like we have just removed the GRE tunnel. For the default option it will be disabled, but yeah, we are able to customize this device. So, and the LAN statics, the LAN stats and all you are able to see here. And what else is there in this device? Yeah, there's nothing much you can do in this. So coming back, like how we are able to do it. So we have set up our own TR-369 server, and we are able to communicate with this. And first of all, we just intercepted the MQTT traffic, how this device is responding to it. If you notice, like it is just giving out, rolling out all its information to our server, and then we are able to capture the entire MQTT packet response and post that there is nothing, no authentication or nothing which has been placed in between when the device used to communicate with the TR-369 server. So basically, the TR-369 server, what it used to do whenever we use any of the Airtel Thanks app or any of the certain applications, and we are able to change the Wi-Fi password, or we are able to do any device settings. So this particular protocol will come into the picture when we try to communicate from any of the application, and then the settings are used to pushed from this particular protocol and using the TR-369 server. So, and apart from this, like let me first show you like how the device is looking out. So this is my device, and you can see like it's online. And when we click on access this device, we are able to see entire information of the device, like the bandwidth. Even we can log the bands also, like if I want it on N78 or something for the higher speed, so we can even log that also. And apart from this, there are multiple settings which you can do. You can enable disable SSH on this, although we are not able to find out the right password for the SSH, but if somebody can help us out on that part, that would be really helpful. And we are able to if I go to device, if I go to device LAN access, so you can see like SSH disabled. By default, it will be set to true, and you can set it to false. And I'm just trying to log in to this device, and by default root password, means by default the root user, and I'm not sure like why I'm not able to. I don't have any password for this, and so that's the reason I'm not able to log into this. But if somebody can help us out on that part, that would be really helpful. And this is basically the device, which is this is basically the device, the vendor, and the details for this device is it's from Nokia. And let me just show you in the device security. There is nothing. You can just find the device certificates, and means if somebody wants, I can provide the details, and you can check out if there is some user or something which is available for this. And apart from this, if you notice, yeah, the factory reset. So from here we can trigger the factory reset, but once you trigger the factory reset, it will come to an original state, and it will directly pull the data from the original TR-369 server, and it will push all the entries and all those eSIM profile and everything. It will be pushing up again to this device, and not sure if you get the access back again or not. So I won't recommend to do a factory reset from here, or not even from the directly from the hardware switch also. And apart from this, we notice, yeah, the GRE monitor. So you can there will be an entry by default, but I just deleted that. And device Wi-Fi disassociation, these are just the logging things. And the device info, if you check, so this is an 5G CP router within hardware version of this, and the manufacturer is Nokia, and this is the basically the password rules which is there. Okay, so once you are able to access this over the TR-369 server, you need to make certain changes in the VLAN configuration and over the LAN settings, and then you are able to access the internet. So let me just show you, like, currently from my base machine. So let me just quickly show you, this is my base machine, and what's my IP and ISP. So here, if you notice, like, I'm using the Airtel internet, so Airtel, basically the Airtel fiber. So this is my ISP and this is my IP. For the security reason, I have hidden it. And if I check it from my audio, here I haven't connected any of the other adapter apart from my USB to RJ45 adapter. And let me just check it out. What's my, so here you will see that I'm getting the IPv6 and v4 IP directly from Geo. So this is how it's working basically. And if somebody gets more detail on this, I'll love to collaborate and work with them, and let's try to build a better device than what the stock device which is provided by the ISPs. Okay, so that was the insights about the Airtel AirFiber. Thanks a lot. Thanks on watching. And if you have any queries or comments, do join up my community down below. And if there is anything I can help you out, just put a comment and let me know. Thank you. Thanks for watching.